These images exist only on film and in memories now. The rare birds are relict gulls. They live here at the Taolima Alashan Lake area near the city of Ordos in Inner Mongolia. He Fenqi was the first scientist who found them in the 1980s.
In the past, this ground is the bottom of the lake, and behind us, the large area also totally covered with water. Right now, you can see just a few relict gulls feeding along the water. Habitat always changeable, but unfortunately, this change not by nature means, but by human disturbance.
The drying up of water was caused by man, including dams and irrigation, resulting in the disappearance of wetlands.
This internationally recognized wetland used to be a heaven for the relict gull, but the damage to the ecosystem has led to the sharp decrease in nesting. Fortunately, these birds have found a new home more than 100 kilometers southeast at the lake called Hongjian.
Just look at this lake called Hongjian. In the beginning of this century, the breeding colonies of those relict gulls moved from the PA north. So for many years they're here. And right now, this year, I think it's supported over 3,000 breeding pairs of the relict gull. And when the breeding season is over each year, the birds dispersed almost every year. They need a small island or islets in the lake, so they know what they need. Well, they're quite clever bird.
Birds are sensitive to any disturbance. He Fenqi hopes this wetland can be preserved, the last place of refuge for the relict gull.
Yeah, look at that small one.
That is a small
yeah,
one.
it's alone, quite alone. Something wrong, must be something wrong. Oh.
So the leg is broken.
Can you stand?
Can you save it?
I can't.
I really hope that she can recover and fly.
Let's hope for the best. Population size is one problem. The other problem or the other issue is how about the quality of the habitat, particularly the breeding habitat of one species. In the last 50 years or even longer, many of them disappeared.
He Fenqi says the drastic reduction of nature reserves forces the birds to abandon their original homes. And with ecotourism booming almost everywhere in China, they're always in danger.
The human being is merely part of the nature system. So we have to do something properly. Though you can find some water still here, but very, very little productivity. Almost no birds, no fish. So need much longer the time. It's not so simple just to introduce some water.
And then how much can you change?
No, I can't. Totally I can't.
What is your dream for this wetland reserve?
When I look at here, do you have any dream? No. Forget that.
He Fenqi still finds it hard to accept the